Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, cryptocurrency market, and another asset that possibly could be bullish. I'll give you some ideas here publicly, what I would be doing with it. I'll go over that at the very end, guys. Just landing here, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, be really, really appreciated. So here's the deal. I have a Discord open right here, okay? Boom. Discord invite. You want to come check it out, more than welcome. If you're looking for, even though you do get it, we've had two trades just recently on Bitcoin and XRP that went really, really well. So since the Discord's been open, two trades right there that went well. But if you're looking for somebody just to give you trades, if that's your goal, is like you just, hey, just give me trades and stuff like that, probably should join the Discord. I'm making the Discord to turn people into an apex predator, not a moon boy, not a bear boy, an apex predator, period. Because that's what you're going to need to be in this market. All right, guys. So if you have a little bit of gumption, go ahead and check it out. And I think that you might be surprised sometimes in there. So, okay, guys. So that's how I see it with it. I'm not going to just be the handing out like trades type thing. I don't want to do that. I want to go a little bit further than that. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the DXY because of people going on the DXY. The DXY is more likely going to be going down, trending down because the NASDAQ is going to be going up. So let me go to the DXY real quick. It's in a correction. It's in a correction, guys. So I don't want to go over this too much because the DXY is, so you just take your A, here's your B, and went up for a C. It's actually called a running flat. It's just in reverse. Boom. You see that? A, B, C, and it's coming up here. It's going to trend back down. Now, that will be pretty decent for the NASDAQ. That'll be decent for Bitcoin too, guys. So NASDAQ is still on the weekly. Algos are still projecting a top, probably significant top in November with a pretty good correction, and then a topping process in November through January, probably. Somewhere right around there, guys. So that'd be the area time to be caution on an asset like Bitcoin. So I'll go over the lower time frames with Bitcoin right now, guys, on a 12-hour chart. Hasn't really moved much. What I'd be expecting is it maybe to do, it already did a pop to the 21. It could do another pop to 21. It might sneak up to the 40 and then expect it to come back down here. Now, these are going to be targets for sure. Okay. In my opinion, it's already hit this fair value gap. Okay. So I'll be checking this one out again, and then the one right on top of that. So let me remove that. You see this fair value gap right here? Okay. And you see this area right here? Boom. Okay. So that would definitely be an area. Could it do a half fill? It very well could do a half fill. If I see any, if you would personally, if I see anything like that, then it's going to get ready for a run over here, guys. So on Bitcoin, after it's done, and could take majority of the month of August potentially. So might be a little bit of a wait. So that's why I'm going to be looking for a short trade, more than likely with Bitcoin, if an opportunity arises, and then just write it down so you're not sitting on your hands. Because I notice a lot of people on Twitter are waiting for 30K Bitcoin again, and I don't think they're going to get the 30K back up to 30K to short again. I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to be opposite of what they think is going to happen. It might pop up a little bit, then come back down, and then do a ride to 30K, and then over here maybe they could think about that, but these are definitely targets I'm looking for on Bitcoin, guys. The 31, 32, and maybe 32.5 as tentative targets. Is it going to bust through this? It could. It could. So I think Bitcoin may have a chance to bust through that just because of this. Okay. So the NASDAQ's in a correction. It could go a little bit longer, come down to the 21 period moving average, and then make its way back up again for the rest of the year, going in maybe October or something like that. That's kind of the same time frame I'm looking at with Bitcoin, guys. You come back out here to a weekly chart on the algos. You can see back out there, October, basically the same time frame the algos are doing for Bitcoin, also for the NASDAQ, guys. So that's how I'll be looking at that with Bitcoin, all right? So the coin that I'm going to go over that people have some interest in right now is a slow mover. It's a slow mover. Okay, guys. So that's tentative plan right there. Digibyte is the coin on the weekly chart. It looks like it's going to be going into an uptrend. More than likely, Digibyte will be in a corrective move of some sorts. possibly. Don't know yet. Don't know yet. It could be is going to be a wave one. Don't know. But you have to realize, guys, that this is just going to grind all the way up there. It's going to take its time, it looks like. And you come out here to the daily chart. You know, it's coming down pretty good. So here to the algos, it looks like it's going to be trending. So Bitcoin, think about this right here. So it came down here at that fair value gap. Definitely had targets right in there. And these are definitely targets of 0.007 with DigiByte. Think about Bitcoin. So it's technically, DigiByte is bullish, but it's going up and to the right. And Bitcoin's kind of in a downtrend. So it has, you know, like pressure from it to want to go down. So it's going to be in this area, and possibly it might come back down to this area and then get ready for that run that it's going to do on the weekly. Okay, guys. But like I said, it's going to be a slow mover. It's going to be a slow mover, guys. So, you know, I'm not really too sure. Just like that's all the way into March, you know, but they're pretty significant gains potentially, you know, if you pick it up down here, and then you'd be looking at, you know, it's 5x. It's a 5x potentially, guys, if it does what the algos project. You know, not bad at all, especially with the times that we're in right now. So like I said, guys, if you want to take time, come check this out. All right, you can. Like I said, the goal of the Discord is not to become a moon boy or a bear boy, but an apex predator, because I think it's going to be necessary in these markets right now, guys, especially in the cryptocurrency market. And I definitely have a different take on what everything that's going on in cryptocurrencies with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoin market. So again, if you're interested in just, hey, I want to get trades, hand me trades, and I'm just going to copy your trade, it's not really about that. And I don't want it to be like that, even though you will get trades if you want to do that. That is possible. But I prefer to just try to get the mindset change going a little bit with the in that area, guys. So there's going to be, in my opinion, some really, really good opportunities coming up in the cryptocurrency space. I don't want to say massive opportunities, but I think they're going to be pretty darn good. Probably something better than that, in my opinion, than DigiByte right there, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.